Welcome to our video on how to create your own DIY cleaning kit, the essentials. Cleaning is an important part of our lives, but it doesn't have to be expensive or harmful to the environment. In this video, we will show you how to make your own cleaning kit with just a few simple ingredients and tools. Our first essential for your DIY cleaning kit is an all-purpose cleaner. You can make your own by combining white vinegar, water, and a few drops of your favorite essential oils. This cleaner can be used on almost any surface in your home and is much cheaper and less toxic than store-bought options. Next up is a glass cleaner. Combine equal parts water and rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle, along with a tablespoon of white vinegar. This solution will leave your mirrors and windows streak-free and sparkling clean. If you have wood surfaces in your home, you'll want to include a wood cleaner in your kit. Mix together a teaspoon of olive oil and a half cup of white vinegar in a spray bottle. This solution will nourish and clean your wood surfaces without leaving any residue or damage. Even carpets can benefit from your DIY cleaning kit. Mix together half a cup of baking soda and 10 minutes 15 drops of your favorite essential oils. Shake the mixture onto your carpet, let it sit for a few hours, and then vacuum it up. Your carpets will smell fresh and clean,